Let's find the second derivative of y, given that y equals e raised to the power of 2x squared. So we find the derivative using the u substitution. So let's say that let u equals this expression, that is 2x squared. Let's differentiate both sides with respect to x. So we get du by dx, and this equals, so we find the derivative of 2x squared. So we put the 2 first, and then the derivative of x squared using the power rule is 2x. And so we see that 2 times of 2x is 4x. So we see that du by dx equals 4x. Now, considering this expression y, we can rewrite this as y equals. After we do the substitution, this can be written as e raised to the power of, replace this 2x squared by u. So therefore, this becomes y equals e power u. Now, this is a function of u. So when we want to find out the first derivative, that is dy by dx, we have to apply the chain rule here. So the derivative of e power u is e power u. And then applying the chain rule, we find the derivative of u with respect to x, which is du by dx. Now let's replace this u as we have done the substitution. U equals 2x squared. So here we replace u by 2x squared times, we already found the du by dx, which is 4x. So we replace du by dx as 4x. And so therefore this can be written as, I'm going to write this 4x first. So it is 4x e raised to the power of 2x squared. And this is the first derivative of y. This is dy by dx. That is, this is the derivative of e raised to the power of 2x squared. Now we find the second derivative by differentiating this expression. So we differentiate both sides with respect to x. And on the left, we will have d2y by dx squared. And this equals, here we have to apply the product rule of differentiation, because basically we have two terms. We can consider this 4x as the first term, and e raised to the power of 2x squared as the second term. So according to the product rule, we put the first term and multiply this with the derivative of the second term, that is the derivative of 2x squared. I write down in symbol notation, that is e raised to the power of 2x squared, and we put this prime, which means we have to write down its derivative. And then using the product rule, we now put the second term, that is e raised to the power of 2x squared, and this has to be multiplied with the derivative of 4x. So I write down this in symbol notation, that is 4x prime. So we should write down the derivative of 4x. And so therefore, let's put this 4x here. And notice that we have already found the derivative of the expression e raised to the power of 2x squared, which is in fact the first derivative of the given expression. So we can put this directly over here. That is, the derivative of e raised to the power of 2x squared equals 4x times e raised to the power of 2x squared, plus we simplify this. This is e raised to the power of 2x squared times the derivative of 4x is 4 times the derivative of x is 1. So it is 4. Now let's simplify this. And so this equals 4x times 4x is 16x squared times e raised to the power of 2x squared, plus the second term, we can write this as 4 times of e raised to the power of 2x squared. Observe that we have this term in both terms, which we can factor it. So we can write this in factor form, and this equals e raised to the power of 2x squared, and then multiplied with the first term, will be left with 16x squared, plus the second term will be left with 4. So this is the second derivative of the given expression y. So this is d2y by dx squared.